Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be fine and fit inside your homes. The COVID 19 infection is still here. Yesterday, 468 people approximately were declared as COVID phase 2 in the entire UT of J&K. This is simple indication this deadly virus is still affecting people, also killing people. So in these days of pandemic, we need to be extra cautious, extra vigilant to save our lives first. No doubt, as a biological being, we have to sustain, but the restrictions that are in place are the precautionary measures we should keep in mind while dealing with the people or while get involved in the activities that are related to life. But life is a precious gift of God, and we need to give value to it, and we should save it, and then should give preference to the rest of the things that are related to life. Your examinations are approaching fast. You need to stay inside your homes to concentrate on self studies and watch these virtual classes and prepare notes to crack the coming examinations. We are students of class 11th, subject political science, and today we are dealing with very important topic, that is evaluation of position of Rajya Sabha. It might be well in our mind that our parliament is a bicameral legislature. It has two houses. One is the Lok Sabha, another the Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament. Its approximate strength is 250, out of which out of 250, 238 are indirectly elected by people and 12 are nominated by the president. Dear students, despite the Lok Sabha has a better position or better role are more powerful than Rajya Sabha in various matters, but the Constitution of India has given in certain matters equal status to Rajya Sabha with Lok Sabha. Their students in law making process or in amendments, when there is any sort of amendment like abrogation of Article 370 was there, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha has equal roles. And dear students, in when a bill non-many bill is passed, non-many bill is passed, it is a very important public bill. It is discussed in both the houses and it needs proper approval of the Rajya Sabha, without which it can't be passed. Dear students, Lok Sabha may get dissolved when it loses majority, but the Rajya Sabha is a permanent body, continuing body, it never gets dissolved. So it is no power in India and no authority in India can dissolve the Rajya Sabha. When there is the procedure for removal of judges or impeachment of the Indian president, removal of high court judges, the Rajya Sabha bears equal powers and having equal powers as the Lok Sabha. So in these matters, Rajya Sabha has equal powers. And when Lok Sabha is not in session, when Lok Sabha is not, it might be dissolved. In it might get dissolved due to the constitutional breakdown, and Rajya Sabha plays an important role in proclamation of emergencies and president's rule in India. In addition to this, Rajya Sabha, it is the council of states. It is representing states there. There are some senior parliamentarians or senior citizens or senior statesmen, and when any public bill is introduced in Rajya Sabha other than this money bill, this is placed before the senior citizens and discussion is going on before before passing the same bill. But dear students, in addition, the Rajya Sabha has been given power to to given powers, and Rajya Sabha has powers to frame the laws on the subject given in this state list. There are approximately 66 subjects that are mentioned in the state list, and powers are actually there is power distribution. It's not coming from the central government, it's coming from the Constitution of India. So the Rajya Sabha having powers to exercise or to frame laws on the subjects given in the state list. It has also special powers to create all India services. For dear students, thus the Rajya Sabha is a very important body. I am repeating few things for you. No doubt, the Lok Sabha enjoys more power than Rajya Sabha in certain matters, but in certain matters, in many matters, the Rajya Sabha having equal powers as that of the Lok Sabha. For example, when we are amending any law, there is equal powers of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. When there is take an example of abrogation of Article 370 that was abrogated on 5th of August in 2019, the Rajya Sabha bears equal powers there. And when there is a removal of judges of Supreme Court, impeachment of President, and in this removal of High Court judges, the Rajya Sabha bears equal powers as that of the Lok Sabha. In one more important thing is there, Rajya Sabha is a permanent body or continuing body. No power or authority in India can dissolve the Rajya Sabha, whereas the Lok Sabha will get automatically dissolved if by the breakdown of the constitution machinery. Rajya Sabha plays an important role when Lok Sabha is not in session in proclamation of emergency and president's rule in a state. Their students, Rajya Sabha also can frame laws, the subjects that are given in the state list. It has also power to create the special services in India. Dear students, so the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the parliament that is representing the states, is a very important body, and constitution has empowered it with huge powers. Dear students, you are new to the political science. Slowly you will grasp these concepts. It is political terminology you will grasp. You have opted now political science as one of the subjects, but with the passage of time, when you get maturity in the subject, you will grasp all the things. But before leaving the class, I am advising you, if political science reference book is available with you, do see these things on the available reference book of the political science, so that you will grasp the things well. And also use other sources to fetch knowledge. But I am advising you, before the leaving the class, do concentrate on self studies so that you can crack the coming examinations with ease, and also can defeat the COVID-19 infection. Thanks. Be well, asset.